Hello viewer, here we will create the different pictures and shapes to make it more attractive. I will take an image to embed there. It's the image we have taken there. Stretch over the shape to make it more attractive. So create a clipping mask there. Add again a paint. We will use the designs. Let's take a design here using the different colors. Thank you for watching.